Hey YouTube, it's Brian with GreyWolf Towers again. So today I've got kind of a special package. This one was from my mom. She lives out in Washington State, so she sent me a package. I remember that she had said some stuff about hard drives, watch, things like that, but figured I'd give you all a little view of a package that came in, see what she sent, and we can decide what we want to do. If I remember correctly, one of the items is like a Fitbit watch type thing, but from a different brand, and then the hard drives were from a Microsoft facility. So take a look, see what kind of stuff we got here. Alright, so there's this here. Machine, okay. Alright. Alright, so let's take a peek here. Looks like there was a battery from a ZTE phone and the ZTE phone itself, so that's kind of cool. We can take a look, see if we can get it to at least turn on and power on. And several hard drives, looks like at least 3 or 4. Oh, hey, it's kind of cool. It's a tablet DVD player combo. That's kind of cool. So we'll have to see if we can get that up and running, see if we can get it charging. Looks like a Netgear switch. Looks like it's a gigabit switch, 10, 100, 1000. 8 ports. No power cable, so I'll have to see if I have one that fits it. And looks like another tablet down in here. Now this one looks like it's gotten some damage on it, so I'm not sure it'll work, but we can definitely give it a shot and see if we can get it to turn on and charge, and if not, then we can see about exploring the innards and see what it's got. This one looks most interesting. I've never seen a tablet with a DVD player packaged to it, so that's going to be kind of fun. Hopefully I can get that one to work just because it's an interesting one. So this is a 1 terabyte Western Digital Blue, so that's always a good drive. So we'll take a look and see if it runs. Looks like, oh, that's kind of a cool brand. So this is a tablet from the looks of it, and this is a Apex brand tablet. So I'll see if I can get this running as well. So it looks like 3 hard drives. 2 of them are Western Digital 1 terabyte blue drives, and Western Digital drives are awesome. I love them, and the blues are usually pretty good. And a Seagate 1 terabyte drive as well. So we'll see what we can do with these, see if we can get them running, and if we can, we'll throw them into builds as we need to, and I'll see about throwing one into my mom's build that I'm gonna give her when she comes out here. Which, by the way, just so you all know, my mother will be coming out to visit end of the month here in September. So she will be out here end of the month. I'll see about doing a video then. It'll be an interesting video, I hope. We'll see about using at least one of these drives. And maybe we'll be able to show off these tablets, see if any of them work. So anyway, thanks for watching. Just wanted to show everyone a little glimpse of packages that I get every now and then from different people. This one was from my mom. Hopefully I'll see about getting some more stuff in the near future. If you liked this video, make sure you hit the like button. If you like our content, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments down below. And maybe I'll make another video out of these tablets and do a video on those as a little bit of a side thing. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, everyone. Bye for now.